Hello, hello kayo dyan mga friends. Yes, welcome back to my channel, Kinabuhing Tambok. Maraming salamat sa mga nakikinig dyan, mga nagko-comment. I love you all. Thank you so much, guys. Yes. Do you wanna hear my golden voice? Charot. So this song is dedicated doon sa mga nagmamahal ng palihim. Charot. Na. Kaya shoutout na lang kay Whitney Houston, mga friends. Ayan, oh. So hindi natin to kakayanin, kaya naman dito lang tayo sa kalagitnaan. Alright? Let's go. Surrender na. A few stolen moments is all that we share. You got your family and they need you there. Though I've tried to resist being last on your list, but no other means gonna do. Fancito rito. So I'm saving all my love for you. Murag kayo na kayo. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. That gives you the right to be